也没讲哪个软件。
Now the display with the computer are in the communication. Choose T154 and read. We can choose different pictures like anyone you like. Maybe okay, just like this. Now here change.
桌面有它的东西。
And we can just load the power on picture. And you can see it is in receiving, and we about need 1 minute to update this picture to the display. And after finish this picture, and we can change to be this is power off picture. This is power on picture. We have two different pictures for choose.
好像很慢，不是1分钟。
OK， 行了。